Say hi, bro. This dog all up in my space. Dog crazy as hell. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. Before we get into this vlog, you already know what to do. Subscribe, like, share the video, all that good stuff. This might be another simple vlog like the one I just posted. Yeah, we're just gonna be enjoying the day, going through our day, being around family and stuff. So yeah, y'all enjoy this vlog, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna see y'all later today. My turn?
Yes.
Skip you. It's your turn, Alana.
Forget you. My turn?
No, it's my turn.
Oh no.
My turn? Thought it was Uno. Draw 4. Uno. Yeah, I got Uno.
What's the color?
Oh, purple. I was kidding. Red.
What?
Red. It's your turn.
My turn?
Yo, she skipped me.
Skip you. Skip you? Yeah.
No, you skipped Alana.
I skipped Alana?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, damn.
I win!
This way.
Back up, bro. Stop. Stop. Hey, Blair. Hey!
Hi, Blair.
Hey, you just scratched my knee. Bo.
That's cheaper, I imagine.
I doubt it.
Not like,
Yeah.
probably like, would they have like, idea that we don't convert those
People live out here?
Not in the garden.
Oh. Some rich people stuff.
Where's the part that I paid for?
Is this the regular park?
I mean, if you don't gotta pay for it, I want to be tripping.
I think it's the part that where you go inside.
But there's nobody around here, Mom.
I wonder if I can get clippings. Take home clippings.
Ooh.
So you want to go to the Legacy Fountain?
Active
Or a
Oval,
dog
I
park?
think this-
Active Oval?
I think the active
We should take all the dogs here. All 6 of them. Your head is shining, Alana.
Ah, dang. The oil's on it.
The juices and berries. I know, still Lily would have been like done. Huh?
I think we go through this way.
No, it's this way. Look at the
I see an opening. I see an opening right there.
Is it?
Cause I see people walking this way, and it looks like.
Let's see if this is because I see these stairs right here, but this you can't go in there. I mean, it's just right here, Kate. So if we can't, then we can just
Yeah, cause then if we're wrong, then we're gonna have to walk all the way back over here.
whatever. Okay, that gate's locked out.
Oh, okay. We can ask them how to get up there.
Who?
The people that are in the garden.
You gonna climb the hill?
Jump the fence.
Oh, just come on over. Just jump on over the fence. That's how you security.
How do my legs hurt?
Huh? Your legs hurt?
No. Like, how did my arms sort of, like, feel weak? A little bit.
Shut up, kid.
You wrong for that. You wrong for that.
Oh,
Right?
can't see. Now it's just a piece of paper you gotta hold.
See, it's so bright. There's no like this. Okay.
This is a direction.
Oh wait, so
Follow
we
the
just
signs.
free pencils. Wow.
Follow the signs to the mulch patch along the mulch patch. Wait, patch. Look for plants labeled with a green sign. What's the mulch patch? Let's go to the mulch patch.
Nick, you should be. Oh.
Yeah, Lonnie, you trying to do too much.
To the mulch patch.
Rubrum.
What if it was edible and we could just pull it off and
Guys,
eat it?
I filled
Why don't you try it? Why don't you try and eat it?
Okay.
It's probably honeysuckles.
No, don't know, because you gotta
Guys, I did it. I finished.
Your mom be like, what?
Step 2, rose garden. Rose garden.
Oh, a lot of look here. Lantern rose.
It's not on the list. It has green signs.
Those are like those. I want.
Those look dead.
Where's my plant app?
Is that
I need to
oh,
start.
that's a restaurant honey was like, we should eat it.
Probably so.
They probably got a bunch of flowers in there. Like, to eat.
To eat.
Edible.
I think this is a dead end.
No, it ain't.
Oh,
It is.
Y'all want to take a picture on the bench?
Not really.
Yes,
dirty.
You do.
He probably made it.
Yeah, it's not a dead end, so Nick, be quiet.
Directions fine too. Yes, they will.
Why is he making that face?
Y'all want to sit down? Let me take a picture. What is that?
That's
Got like little berries on there.
Hey, so you can eat those?
I swear to God, Nick. It eventually is gonna have blooms on it.
Oh, wait, did I want to go to Disney World?
No, she didn't.
Oh.
Well, she was, but she was like, no. But then she was like, yeah, I want to go. It's too late.
I wasn't like that. Was I?
Yes.
Whatever.
It says, and I'm pressing. Where's the water? It's supposed to have my water. Well, my water. It's all dried out, so somebody buy some more. Somebody gonna shop.
This view right here. I don't know what that is, bro.
Oh, one.
That is gorgeous. All of them are gorgeous. I like this one out here with the flowers.
Why is there Coke cans next to it? Oh, it shows its progression.
It says, please do not touch water.
It says the thing you can't touch. I didn't touch the freaking tree.
Stop digging your nose, boy.
I wasn't digging in my nose. I was digging the outside of my nose.
Oh, not rocks, stones. Scones. I like it. Look, it's Asa. It's Asa.
Oh my gosh.
It's you, dude.
Edible garden so we can eat.
You knocked out.
I doubt that.
Is this the edible?
No.
It says edible, Mom. These are plants.
These? Oh.
These are carrots.
Oh my gosh. Some leeks, some carrots.
Wait, where do you see carrots?
Right there, dragon carrot.
You gotta pull it out, I think. But
Here's some spinach.
oh. You want Brian?
Yeah.
What? You more than one. I'm not gonna eat all of them.
Are you not? Okay.
Little Sprout. You want some? Oh yeah. I was gonna say you want some fries. You want some pickles?
You don't eat pickles. You do?
Ain't you allergic to something?
You learned to fish, like seafood.
Oh, you want some fish?
I can't eat fish.
I know, he said, "What? Are you allergic to something?"
Yeah, hush puppies. Don't worry about it. Bring some.
Hush puppies aren't seafood.
I'm gonna tell him it's hush puppy.
Oh.
We at Cracker Barrel right now. I'm ready to eat, bro. I didn't really eat nothing today. But we at Cracker. I don't know why I'm in the girl section, but. That's hush. That's hush. I'm about to go eat.
Can we switch the subject? Can we switch the subject?
Can anybody breathe?
We were talking about gnats coming up out of the ground.
He recording what you talking about next.
I can't breathe.
The hush.
I can't breathe.
Zuri, stop playing. Put your seatbelt on.
I'm claustrophobic.
Put your seatbelt on and stop playing.
Where was it over? Wow, that up here in northern Minnesota.
Wanna walk?
Not one where them bugs got at up.
Wanna walk?
Minsuing Acres. You remember?
Yeah.
Minsuing Acres in Minnesota is the worst place I have ever
But
seen.
wasn't that wanna walk?
He said,
No, that wasn't the same thing.
What did
One
you
walk,
say
it
that
was
was-
freezing up there. One walk.
Oh, okay.
When we went to
Didn't you
Minsuing
say-
Acres, it was nice. But
Didn't you say that Minnesota got bigger mosquitoes than down here because of the
yeah,
lake?
they said that Minnesota, the mosquitoes is a state bird. Hey guys, what the? Minnesota, you know what the nickname of it is? The land of
Land of 10,000
10,000 lakes.
How many lakes?
It's so many lakes in Minnesota.
But where there's water, there's mosquitoes.
Still water.
Still
Where
water,
it's
right.
standing,
Well,
standing
but I'm
water.
saying a lake is standing water. It's not
Yeah.
flowing.
What's good, y'all? This is the end of the video, end of the vlog. Hope that you enjoyed it. A little something. Just gonna be posting more stuff and stuff like that. I got a lot of stuff on the way, so stay tuned. I got back home. I'm back in Greenville now, so yeah, definitely enjoyed my weekend. If you haven't subscribe, like, all that good stuff, man. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later, dude.